last night was an absolute blur. It is eerily quiet out here in BGC right now. I'm a little worried because that means it is the calm before the storm. There's a huge performance happening out on High Street tonight, and this is actually our first New Year's here in the city. Even though we were in the Philippines last year, we were actually in Batangas for New Year's, and so this is our first New Year's celebration here in the city. There's going to be a twist. First surprise of the night. Wait, Kason, we gotta scan the QR code. We're gonna try and figure out how to do this. Can we just take one? Do you think it's possible for all three of us to fit on one? I am a hot, sweaty mess right now. Hi guys. We are having our New Year's Eve dinner right now at Nikkei Robata here in Uptown. It's one of our favorite sushi spots. So I brought the boys out. Brian's sick. He got COVID. And so unfortunately, he is not able to join us in any of our New Year's Eve festivities this year. So I guess we'll see what we end up doing. I think this mama needs to have a little bit of fun tonight, so I might take the boys back home. Woo! Woo! Do you have New Year's resolutions, Kuya? Nope. These two have been on a roll the last couple of days. This mama needs a mama's night out with this girl right here. She's like my second, they call her their second mom, basically. Yes. Diana has Phoenix with her tita this evening, and so she said we're gonna go moms on the loose in BGC tonight. I think we might get that for a couple of hours, so cheers, friend! You know what's so funny is when dad's filming, you have a tendency to be really good about waiting to eat, but when mom's filming, you just go straight in for it. Why is that?
Dad says he has quality filming and you don't.
Oh, this is a black miso cod. Wow, that is phenomenal. There's like some kind of a salsa on there. That is so good. Kind of wish I had a little bit of rice, but that's okay. We could do without it. I'm gonna eat some chicharrones later. We got a cameraman now. Sangrias. Yay! Wow, this place is amazing. And we get the view of the tree. All right, I'm gonna do a quick little walk around here. We are at the Grand Kitchen here in BGC, and their menus are, basically they do set plates or set trays of different dishes that you can order. So it's kind of fun because you get to choose a couple of different things. That looks amazing, doesn't it, Kuya? The meal also comes with a dessert. The fun side of all of this, and I know it's probably naughty of me right now to bring it up, but they've got some really great drink deals as well. So, all right, let's go see what these chefs are up to. Hi, chef. What are you grilling?
Grilled salmon, ribeye, and some teriyaki bun.
Yummy. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh, there's that Hainanese chicken. Oh, look at those wok skills happening over there. That's pretty awesome. Miss Maya was just telling me that sometimes because they are an open kitchen concept, the chefs will actually put on a show and you'll see like a lot of fire and just a lot of movement happening. So I'm excited and looking forward to possibly catching that on video. I do see our friends coming in though, so hopefully Brian doesn't notice the surprise. Hello there! Merry Christmas! You look nice, Jack. I love your top. It's so gorgeous. We're Christmas tree twinsies.
Yes, we're all in green today.
Yay.
Love it.
All right, let's get in here. Let's get in here.
Hey, I didn't know we were matching, dude. They've been plotting this the whole time.
We got you.
Gotcha.
So she told me she was gonna wear green. So I was like, okay, I want to sparkle in green. So
We saw this in a shop. We're like, we have to get
she
it.
has to try it on.
Yeah. And it's
it was
perfect. It's a perfect fit for you. How gorgeous.
Yes.
Do you look tonight? Oh my
And then we
God.
saw those, and I was
Yeah.
like, oh, and now they're green too. So here, it's pretty awesome. They've got these unlimited house wine, house lager, and chilled juices for 480 pesos, which to some might seem like a lot, but to me that's a fabulous deal. And then they also have free-flowing cocktails. I am blurry, not blurry. It's like I'm already drunk here. Free-flowing cocktails are 680 pesos, and you get your choices between gin and tonics, some different white wine spritzers, or even sangria. So also an amazing deal, and that goes until 10 p.m. I think is what our hostess told us. So it's 7 o'clock now. Wish us luck. We'll see how this vlog rolls out. Or you might see Toasty Christina tonight. You want some of my steak? What'd you get? Grilled salmon. Bunso got a burger, of course. Brian, why is your food always last?
Well, I guess I burned my fish. So the guy said something went wrong in the kitchen and they're having to redo it. And so because of that, now they're bringing me some miso. But that was nice to them though. No, that was nice to them. So yeah, it's free. It's on the house.
That was good. And you're supposed to share that with Phoenix?
Yeah.
I think this is a lot of food, and I'd love to fill my belly with wine and order McDonald's later.
Shirashi sushi, which comes with sashimi, sushi rice, and a little bit of egg and seaweed. And then we also have some miso soup and salmon teriyaki. It tastes pretty solid. I like how all the flavors just mix with each other. If you get all of it in one bite, it just tastes so good.
I can't help it. I still giggle every time I look at them wearing their matching shirt. They look so good together though. They really do.
Wow, creme brulee is just so good. When you cook it perfectly, you get the coldness of the custard that's really creamy and sweet, while you get the crunchy kind of stickiness from the cracked sugar. 10 out of 10.
So our conversation right now was just about how this year
our
feels like
first
the
Christmas.
first real Christmas.
Real Christmas, yeah. Yeah, I felt like I didn't have a Christmas last year. I think because we just moved here in October, so then you're straight into Christmas.
Yes.
And I learned a lot about, the Christmas traditions here. So different to the UK, to England. So if you go to any supermarket, you'll just, at this time of year, you'll just see
Is that queso de bola?
Yeah, queso de bola, but it's like Edam. They call it, it's like Edam cheese. And that's the weird thing, because it's a European cheese, but it's not a European tradition, but it's a tradition here. That's the main thing about the traditions, I guess, is the food. In the Philippines, it's the same for like a birthday, same for a funeral, same for Christmas. So it's the same, you got the same spread for like every celebration. It's the same types of food. Do you have like turkey at Christmas? Well, that's Thanksgiving. So for us, that's
Thanksgiving
Christmas.
is turkey, Christmas is ham.
Oh,
or
okay.
In my family, we do a prime rib.
Oh, that
So
sounds good.
they're social, they're a little
Okay.
fancy, and they
So
do prime
in the
rib.
UK, it's actually turkey is the most popular one
For Christmas.
for Christmas. So that's your Thanksgiving is our Christmas.
Let's hear about your Christmas diet, guys. What is
Christmas diet? What is that? Eat as much as we can. No, actually today I fasted.
Brian takes me through the ringer in the gym.
It's Brian's fault.
Brian's fault. Shoulders, my back. I'm on medication.
We're just doing shenanigans.
Someone told me you're a gay magnet.
What?
Oh, Jen too?
Gay magnets.
All right,
Yeah.
so look, here's the plan.
magnets.
We're
They're
sending
both
the
gay
two of you out to Nectar with some $100 bills. And we're gonna see what happens. I really shouldn't eat cheesecake because I'm lactose intolerant. There's something about a good cheesecake and a glass of wine. It just literally makes my day. Really. Brian, if you ever have an issue, cheesecake and a glass of wine. So So here's the craziness that the night is gonna take us to. We just found out the Merlins have got an Airbnb. Yeah, we're gonna go check it out. And then we need to get Diana some shoes because we decided we're taking the electric scooters back up to Tryon. Where'd Rowan go? Come this way. My ears pop as we're going up the elevator, like every time. It's like, oh, they're doing it right now. There's so many already. Wow. That is cool.
Wow.
This is nice.
It's so nice.
My New Year's Eve in BGC.
Oh my god, that's perfect with the towel.
This is very cool. That literally is Uptown Mall across the way, isn't it? We're at Diana's place. So Diana has a balcony. We may be coming out here tonight to see the fireworks. I don't know. We'll see. Diana, why does Jack have his voyeur binoculars
We were
here?
copying you, Christina. We were inspired because we were at your house and we saw the binoculars.
You know we have binoculars.
So we bought some binoculars.
Look at that. We're gonna hop on a scooter and me and Mama Yana are gonna go party. Peace out, Merlins! Why do you scream like that? It's a little much, love. The Moosie's riding with me, you and the Kuya ride together. How do I take off? Oh, geez. Watch your mommy fall. Hold on, watch. It's like something on the app I have to do to unlock the brakes. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Wintel's trying to get the other one. All right, we'll put our purses in the front. I'll hold the camera. Let's figure this out. Okay, hold on. Kason, wait. A little tiny bit right there. Can you just put your feet right here? There you go. Just put your feet right there. Oh, wait. We got to kick up your kickstand.
This is so good. Thank you.
All right, now you're really on. Holy cow, I'm so sweaty. Kason left me. Put your feet up. Rowan, put your feet up. Rowan, put your feet up. There you go. There, that works. Perfect. You're like a scooter.
You want to say?
There you go. Okay. All right, Kason, let me get on. Are you driving?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm dripping sweat.
Oh my god!
I'm literally because Kason made me walk like the last. Kason made me walk like the last like 5 minutes.
I'm not sweating.
He insisted on driving by himself, and I couldn't ride with him. I need to like rinse off, throw my hair up, change my clothes, put on some comfy shoes, and then Diana and I are gonna hop back on the e-bike because that was an incredible little ride. We had so much fun. We're gonna hop back on it and go out to High Street. I'm literally dripping sweat. 30 pesos per 10 minutes. All right. Yes, I know the rules. Let's ride. Yeah, my camera's on. I'm gonna see you're behind right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is much different than that scooter was. Holy cow. I'm the worst driver to be following. So we are officially out here on, this is 7th Avenue. 5th Avenue is right up over there, but this is where all of the festivities here in BGC are happening right now for New Year's. It's like so British, it's 11:30. Okay, so it's 11:30. I think we're gonna try to ride over to her condo because it's a little nuts out here. There's like a ton of people. There's a whole entrance exit situation. I still have not been able to get a permit to have this camera out here, so I don't want to deal with any hullabaloo. Honestly, this really is incredible to be out here in this environment. I've never really fully experienced what a New Year's Eve celebration is like in an actual city, so this is really cool, really exciting for me. And really awesome that I get to spend it with my BFF over here. I think we're gonna go to the other BFF spot later. We'll see how we're feeling. I have to acknowledge the fact that I have never, ever seen anything like this in my entire life. Diana, oh my God!
It's not even midnight, it's like 7 minutes to midnight and all the fireworks are already going off.
It is nuts! I can't even imagine what like...
So that's where the BGC fireworks will
Okay,
be.
so...
That's 5th Avenue just there.
Okay, BGC is gonna happen somewhere over on this side. And then Rockwell will be over here. In the meantime, look at what's going on.
The whole of Manila.
Makati is going nuts right now. Like, I thought the fireworks in the province were crazy during New Year's, but like
Firecrackers, the street firecrackers.
cheese and rice. Look at this. There's so many car alarms going off right now. It's ridiculous.
I'm so glad we made it back in time.
I know.
15 minutes.
It's a good thing we rode those e-bikes. I do want to acknowledge one fact though. Animals, pets, especially dogs. A dog like mine would be having a very difficult time right now. So I honestly really hope that people who have pets with anxiety issues or fear of loud noises have made sure to take the proper precautions for them, especially, you know, on a night like tonight, because it's really important. They are struggling really, really badly. So that's just my plug for the animals. What are you opening?
We got some Prosecco.
Ooh, Happy New Year! Oh, Jack's gonna be so jealous. What's the time?
It's like, 2 minutes left.
2 minutes. What is that? Where is that area? That is.
I think it's like Quezon City.
Oh my! I've really, literally never experienced a New Year's Eve celebration like this ever in my life. Have you?
There's like 1,000 different displays we're watching at the same time, like simultaneously. It's just insane.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Yay! Holy crap! Funny enough, like when I think about it, I came from the land of like the epic fireworks show, but really I didn't. For us in the US, like 4th of July is the penultimate celebration that like culminates with a huge fireworks display. My New Year's resolution number 1 is to grow this channel. My number 2 is really
My house is going crazy.
I think not just growing the channel, but growing it with purpose. Growing my own business out of it, like that. I expect this channel not to bring just viewership, but I expect it to be a social enterprise. I want to help and uplift communities here in the Philippines. I want to bring more funds, more experiences to them. My third is to be the best mom that I could possibly be for my kids, be the best wife that I could possibly be for my husband. That's literally all I can ask. And not to lose myself in that process, because I still am my own person.
Finding a balance.
There's a balance. Balance,
you need
ladies.
mama friends to support you.
Yes, you do.
Totally helps.
You need the best mama friends. Open your cupboards, open your door. Open them, bring in the good spirits. Open them. Open your cupboards. Open your door. Happy New Year. Come on in. You know the door was open this whole time? We could have been kidnapped.
Oh my gosh.
Will you be here next year?
That's why we had to do it this year.
Okay, that's why we had.
But unless, I don't know, maybe I'll just buy this place.
My first and last. Maybe next year I'll be in London for New Year's.
Come to London for New Year's. You're welcome always.
It will not look like this. Look at
It's
this.
still going. It's like 20 minutes in. Like, it's still
It
going.
is such a freaking party out there. I can smell it. It smells like fireworks. I love that smell. I love that smell. We both just said I love that smell of fireworks. All right, I gotta take a quick pause. I gotta call my mom and dad. Last night was an absolute blur. The biggest thing I can remember is the incredible, like, 45-minute fireworks display that we got to watch. But then we ended up at Xylo, the Palace, like a bunch of clubs across the street in Uptown, and didn't get home till really late. Well, actually, never got home. I ended up passing out on the couch at Diana's house. So I am completely exhausted. It's about 9 a.m. and I'm sitting outside McDo. I'd love to fill my belly with wine and order McDonald's later. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was entertaining. I guess I'll see when I go back and rewatch the footage for the edit. Salamat po, ingat till next time. Happy New Year.